Hey, guys! Today we're diving into the mouth-watering world of Japanese cuisine, with a focus on the irresistible charm of takoyaki. Imagine tender octopus pieces, savory batter, and a drizzle of tangy sauce, all cooked to perfection in those signature round molds. How can anyone resist the allure of these delicious octopus balls? But wait, the magic doesn't stop there. Takoyaki has captured hearts all around the globe, spreading the taste of Japan to every corner of the world. From food trucks in New York to festivals in Brazil, takoyaki is a true culinary superstar. So join us as we unravel the secrets behind the worldwide craze for this iconic Japanese street food. Get ready to be amazed by the sizzling hot goodness and the cultural impact of takoyaki. Let's dive in and discover the universal love for this tasty treat together.